This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Nothing more for you to not understand. So here just some highlights and some templates which you can use. You can see here you have the place product option. You can set your background and upload your product image. Also give them details of your background that you want to generate. You have some other products option here which you can use as well. You scroll down here, some other templates which you can use as well. Quite a lot of feature here. You have your upscaler or image enhancer feature there. Some of them you may need a pro subscription. So the ones with the crown icon, you're gonna need pro subscription to use those. You can see here, and you have the explore option to see other things that the application offers. Here you have a image which you can also use this image as well. So if I tap on use image, you can either create a video using that image, or I can either edit this image using AI, or if I want to change anything in this image, or if I want to add anything in this image, I can do so, and also add a photo as a reference of what I want to add to this, and so forth. So once I finish, you can either save it here or download it by using these options at the top here. So nothing much for that, and as well you can create an image using this image, create a video using this image here. So image to video option. So down here you have the tools option of pretty much everything that this application here offer. You have the video editing feature, you have edit AI, or pretty much update AI images. You have the video creation using Google VEO and some other features. So these are all the features that the application offer. So in my creation section is pretty much where you'll see all the things that you have created within the application in my creation section here. So that's really pretty much it. And for the remove background, pretty much straightforward. You have upscaler option there. You have the video editor. All you need to do is select whichever video you want to edit. You will pretty much edit that video, but just some basic editing tools, nothing drastic or anything like that, just some basic editing tools. So at the top here, this is pretty much where you go to get your subscription. So where you see pro option here, you can see the prices and everything. You have a subscription option here. You can go over this section here to get the monthly subscription, and also you have the yearly subscription over here. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, or you want an explanation on anything at all, please comment below. If you like to help, guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next one.